story problem at the top of page 91 says one method for weighing a horse is to put it on a trailer whose weight you know and get the sum of both, then remove the trailer, which means you're left with horse only, right? That's called an inverse operation, and we'll talk a little bit more about that here. Inverse operations is undoing an operation. For example, horse plus trailer equals both, right? Both horse and trailer. So let's just say the horse is 1,600 pounds. We don't know that yet, by the way. The trailer is 1,400 pounds, and I have a 3,000 pound total. Now remember, I'm kind of saying that I don't know what the horse is, but if I undo the addition of the trailer, everybody should be taking notes, then I should come up with horse, which we already know equals 1,600 because I kind of gave you that. By subtracting the 1,400, we undid the addition of adding trailer to horse. We undid adding trailer to horse. Addition problems, T-I-O-N, gets undone by subtracting. Addition problems can be undone by subtracting, and one might look like this. Say, here's example 1. K plus 22 is 34, or X plus 12 is -6. So these addition problems, if I undo the addition, 22 minus 22 is 0, so all that I'm left with on the left is K. 34 minus 22 is 12. So based on this subtraction, I'm able to say that 12 is what the value of K should be. 12 plus 22 is 34. Over here, subtract 12, subtract 12. These two 12s undo each other, negative and positive, they cancel out. X is equal to -18. That one might look a little weirder, but if you substitute in -18 for K, add a positive 12 to it, you still have -6. So that indeed would be correct. It doesn't really matter if like the 34 was on the left, like 34 equals K plus 22. Still the same idea. You remove that extra piece from the variable. And then that gives you the variable's identity all by itself. That is, by definition, the subtraction property of equality. Subtracting the same thing from both sides produces an equivalent equation. K equals 12. That's true. How do I know? Plug it in there. The next step is that subtracting gets undone by doing its opposite, which is adding. Subtracting gets undone by doing its opposite, which is adding. So maybe example 2 can be 62 equals m minus 15, or even y minus 6 is negative 2. What will we add to both sides to undo that subtraction of 15? Looks like you're saying add 15 to me. You are right. By adding, we have undone this subtraction, eliminating that minus 15, leaving me only m. And m is going to be equal to 47? I mean, Jiminy Cricket. How about 77, Mrs. Meyer? See, I subtracted it. 77. Here's that standard setup. If we add 6 to both sides, y is all that's left, because a negative 6 and a positive 6 is 0. Y equals positive 4. Good, good, good. Y equals positive 4. So let's talk about our friend the horse. I'm going to go ahead and flip here. Let's talk about our friend the horse. I'm going to give you my information. This is example 3. We know that, and this is my example, the trailer is equal to 3,240 pounds. After you added horse, because the horse was loaded in the trailer, you came up with a new grand total of 4,439. 4,439. So to extrapolate from this, I can say that horse plus trailer is equal to the combo, right? Which data can I fill in? Go ahead, Sarah.
The trailer and combo.
Yep. I'm going to stick with the variable horse. Horse added to 3240 is 4439. Incidentally, your farmers around here are doing that exact thing. When they load up those corn containers, they have no idea the exact weight, but they're paid by weight. So they actually have a empty weight prior to even getting loaded. They weigh themselves empty, they go get loaded, and then they come back. That way the people that are paying them know exactly what they're paying for. In this case, we can subtract horse and trailer, by subtracting trailer, we have H is all that's left. 9, and that's a 3. 9, 1, 11.99. So our friend the horse is 1,199 pounds. Notice the book example, they used W. I don't care. You can use P for pony. You can use C for critter. I don't care. Variable usage is really, really quite subjective. All right, my friends. How you guys feeling about this so far? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Well, I'm hoping it is. Hoping it is, because I am assigning evens today. I am not assigning odds. I'm only assigning evens, which means the following.